Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 12 June 2018, 14 of hour, 31 of minute and 39 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, do I need a special HDMI cable for 4K TV? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about do I need a special HDMI cable for 4K TV. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about do I need a special HDMI cable for 4K TV. Most mid and high-end TVs are now Ultra HD resolution, with many also supporting HDR. Not surprisingly, cable manufacturers are jumping at the chance to sell new and more expensive 4K HDMI cables. But guess what? You probably don't need 4K HDMI cables because your current ones can likely do 4K just fine. Last update November 6, 2016. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.